Friends, Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about a $50 basket that I got today. And after everything is said and done, it was like a $10 money maker. So pretty exciting. And I'm also going to first off take every single transaction and then show you it bite by bite, because I know a lot of you just don't have the boosters or you just want to do a quick deal. So I will show you a couple different deals over at Walgreens. Now, guys, I can't stress it enough. We do buy at least once a month a ton of P&G products. P&G has this website, link in the description if you want to sign up. And if you photograph your receipts, and if you just do it like infrequently or very diligently, you can amass points towards gift cards, Taco Bell, Starbucks. Once a month, you can get one $5 gift card, so you must be patient with it. If you want it like an IBOTTA rebate sort of thing, that's not what this is about. But once a month, you can get like one free latte or something like that, courtesy of all the stuff you're doing over at Walgreens. So check out the link in the notes. They also have like, different bundles they give away once a month. This beautiful Head and Shoulders one, I would love to win it. And it's like 50 points per submission. And, I mess with this infrequently. Today I photographed a couple receipts, I think 3, from some of the stuff I was doing at Dollar General, some of the Swiffer and other goods I was buying, the Downy. And I got 650 points. And if you think a $5 gift card is $750, I'm 100 away. So kind of awesome. And then if you're into internet printables, these have a very quick 24-hour turnaround. Guys, you can even print out coupons. So this is a really powerful website. Check it out. I am on there infrequently, but at least once a month I'm getting a free coffee over at Starbucks. Really great site. Okay, so the first basket we're going to talk about is to buy 4 items and get back a $6 register reward. I will let you know right off the bat, my $6 register reward did not print. I have the sneakiest suspicion is because I got that Febreze Light and maybe it's not coded properly. That's why it's not printing. But there's a digital coupon that's really high value that I was like, I'll just try it. And this store is really friendly. Worst case scenario, they'll just give me the Walgreens cash, and that's what they did. As you can see, this guy is tagged. And it's like a $6 register reward when you buy 4, and it's $4.99. Now, why would I buy a plug with this sale? Because it's not typically the thing that's part of it. It's because this digital coupon was there a couple weeks back if you loaded it, which is a $3 off one of these Febreze One products. I also grabbed 2 of these Tides. I used $1 coupon from the October P&G and then 1 bag of the Tide Pods. This is the digital coupon that I used for the Tide Liquid, and this is the one that I used for the pods. And then over in the October P&G, I had this $1 coupon that I utilized to get this basket a lot less. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick look at the mathematics. 3 Tide products and 1 Febreze is $19.96. Remember, I had the $1 coupon for the Tide, and then $5 of digitals, a 3 for the Febreze, and then $1 for the Tide and $1 for the Tide Pods. So the new total is $13.96. $6 register reward, which would make it $7.96 for the 4, or $1.99 each. If you're doing this deal on its own, if you wish to use your Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. And I will let you know again, my register reward did not print, so if you have a cool store, you're going to have to say to the manager, like, could you possibly give me the register reward? But if it's a really strict store, you might want to just grab all Tide products or not the Febreze product. Now, my absolute favorite, toothpaste. Grabbing 2 of these, using this 1 digital and then $1 coupon from the October P&G. You could either get a brush and a paste as well, but I think my toothbrush coupon, I used it last week. So either or, guys. So 2 Crest toothpaste is $6 on the nose, subtracting the 1 digital and the 1 paper one from the October P&G. You're paying $4 out of pocket and getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to spend it to earn it, you absolutely can do that. And I'm always saying no toothpaste, and look what I did. Okay, so for this little transaction, the Edge, it has to be that one because that's what the IBOTTA rebate is attaching to. And then I just went with women's products, which is the Quattro razor and the Skintimate. Yesterday I got the men's fancier razor and the men's disposable razor. So the promotion for this is when you buy $15, you spend $15, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. That is a spend offer. You must use your debit card for the balance. Credit card, debit card, cash bills for the balance, no Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab one of these disposables for $5.99. We have this wonderful $4 digital that's attaching. And then the fancier razor for $8.99. You can get the men's or the women's. We have this $3 coupon that is attaching. And then we have the Edge gel, and then we have this dollar coupon that is attaching. Over on IBOTTA, we have a dollar rebate for the shave gel. So isn't that just wonderful? Okay, so looking at the breakdown shakedown for this, we got one Schick disposable, $5.99, one Schick fancy for $8.99, one Edge gel for $2.99. The total there is $17.97. We have $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're going to pay $9.97 with your debit card, credit card, or bills, and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash, $1 from IBOTTA, shaking it out to $3.97 for the 3 products. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay for this one because it is a spend offer. Okay, so now we're going to look at this quick little body wash deal. These guys are $3.99 on the nose. You're going to grab one men's Irish Spring. We have this very generous 50-cent digital. Hey, it's better than nothing. And then this is the promotion. When you buy 2, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. We have the soft soap, also priced at $3.99. And we have a 50-cent digital coupon. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the body washes, 1 men's, 1 women's, Irish Spring soft soap, $7.98. 2.50 cents, that's $1 off. You'll pay $6.98 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per body wash. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can earn it to spend it in this specific scenario if you're doing it on its own without a booster. Okay, mes amis, now we have $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. That is an electronic booster, and then the $8 back when you spend $35. I got that yesterday. I placed a little order curbside, and that guy printed for me, and I wanted to use it with this. This is my overall basket, and it's everything that we just broke down individually in the last bunch of slides. So I got the Febreze, 3 Tide products, 2 Crest toothpaste, Skintimate Fancy, Skintimate Disposable, Edge Shaving Cream, soft soap, Irish Spring. So all of that is just under $52, so not the worst little deal. Now, these register rewards, I got this yesterday. It's not scanning for whatever reason, and I've noticed this for the last 2 or 3 weeks, so the cashier will punch it in, and then it works. So you don't even need a filler item, and that's how it's working at my store. So I knew I was able to use one of these, and I got this for the Colgate deal yesterday. So looking at the mathematics for this basket, 1 Schick disposable for $5.99, 1 Schick fancy for $8.99, 1 Edge shave gel for $2.99. 2 body washes, which is the soft soap and Irish Spring, for $7.98. 4 Tide products, 1 pod, 2 liquids, and 1 Febreze for $19.96, and then 2 Crest toothpaste for $6. If you add all of that up, it's $51.91. So I got the cashier to scan the spend 35, get back 8 booster, along with the loaded 10 back when you spend $50. I had that loaded. I presented my $5 register reward and $3 coupons from the October P&G. I also had $14 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous that came off for all of this merchandise. I paid $29.91 with my debit card. This does not include the tax. And then I got back $32 in Walgreens cash. $6 register reward. It didn't print for me, so the cashier just put it on my store card. And then $1 back from IBOTTA, making this a $10 moneymaker. And let's not forget not to use your Walgreens cash for this one, or it'll monkey up your spend boosters and the Schick deal. Looking at the summary of this, as you can see, the spend 35, get back 8, rewarded. Spend 50, get back 10, rewarded. Buy 2, get $4 of Walgreens cash for the Crest, rewarded. Buy 2, get back $5 for the body wash, rewarded. Spend 15, get back 5. There it is. So that is a total of $32 and a little something called winning. And IBOTTA already gave me back my dollar right away back for the Edge. So this was like overall like a $10 moneymaker, and I'm just thrilled to death and tickled pink. Hopefully it gives you guys an idea. If you have one of those big monster boosters, you can make something out of nothing, and it's a really great deal. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.